If you love cinnamon rolls, you have to try this easy cinnamon roll cake made with Jiffy cake mix. So let's get started. Before we make our cake, let's get started on our cinnamon swirl. We're going to need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Let it sit out so it can get nice and softened. Now we add 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm going to take my blender to it because I want it to be mixed up very thoroughly. Okay, we're going to sit this to the side and we're getting ready to make our cake. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and make our cake. And I'm using a box cake. This is called a Jiffy box cake. All you got to do with this cake is just add an egg and water. Just follow the instructions. Okay, I'm pouring all my cake batter into my pan. Our cinnamon swirl that we're putting in here, and we're just going to just put dobs in there, and we're going to swirl this as much as we can. So I'm just going to like take this, and I'm just going to kind of like swirl it around, get it all. Okay, I know it was a little thick and you're getting it and you're just swirling it around, kind of breaking it up in there. Don't be alarmed when it cooks, it's gonna puff up and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, at a 350 degrees oven for about 25 minutes. Check it in the next 15 minutes. See how it's doing. Now our cinnamon swirl cake came out of the oven. We're gonna let it cool. And I think on this cinnamon swirl cake, it'd be delicious with my cream cheese frosting. So let me show you. This is how we make it. Bowl, I got my 4 tablespoons of butter. It's softened, and I'm just going to whip this up. 8-ounce Philadelphia cream cheese or any kind of cream cheese you have on hand. I beat this with the butter. Need 2 cups of this confectionate sugar. Start whipping this. Not on high, but on the lowest speed. Teaspoon of vanilla extract in here. And then we're gonna just blend this up. Now that we have made the cream cheese icing, let's icing our cake. Okay, this is my cream cheese icing that we had made. I let this cake cool a little bit. Oh my God, it looks so good. I'm just taking a spoon and I'm just spreading a little bit of this cream cheese icing that we made. We refrigerated this also. All right, I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to cut. Oh, look at that. It looks wonderful. I'm going to get this one because the crunch of that, oh, just stuck to my knife and I had to get that. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Oh, guys, look at this. Look. Oh my God, it is delicious. And this is my cinnamon roll cake using a Jiffy mix. You can use any cake that you like. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Because guess what? I didn't make this cinnamon roll cake alone. You and me, we made this together. And we can make plenty more dishes. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.